Happy Tuesday. So today the plan, our objective, I haven't written it on the board yet, that's why I'm not standing over there. Our objective for today is going to be that we can demonstrate taught knowledge by doing test corrections. So I went through and graded them, got them entered into the grade book, and then today you're going to have an opportunity to, I'm going to have a few vlogs on the 3 different pages of the test, because each page gets entered as a different grade. They're looking at different skills. So here's what I did. I entered the grade, I put a number down, and then if I needed you to do corrections, you got this stamp, please correct and return. And if that page looked fine, then it applies to the whole page. So it's page 1, page 2, page 3. You got the hashtag fantastic. So those 2 stamps will be on your page. If you need to redo a page, I'm gonna be setting up vlogs for those as well. And so we'll get it set up where you guys can view that either on a computer or on your own device. We're gonna see what works best. So I'm gonna have those set up for you as well. If your test is all good, or if you only have one section that you need to make a couple of corrections and you're turning it back in, there's also going to be an enrichment activity. That's going to be on our Google Classroom page. I'm getting it posted shortly, and then you'll be working on that. There's 2 things. There's Quizlet with a bunch of vocabulary, stuff that we do know, and then some expansion vocabulary, all about ecology. There's a lot of games on Quizlet, a lot of good ways you can play it. If we end up with everybody getting caught up, maybe we can do a Quizlet live activity, which I'll explain a little more if we get to that point. The other thing that's out there is an activity where you can actually work with an ecosystem, kind of that food chain, food web type of concept. It's a drag and drop, similar to what we were doing on the Discovery Ed Tech book yesterday. And so you put it in, and then it tells you if it's right or wrong, and you can make corrections as necessary. So those are going to be the 2 enrichment activities. If you do have corrections you need to make, we're going to be getting that set up where there's going to be groups that have that. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. I have a sore throat today. I'm not doing 100%. I'm going to do my best to be floating around and helping you guys out. Make sure you have any questions that you need answered, because today's the last day to get any work in for first quarter. Those grades are due by noon tomorrow, which basically means I got to get them in today. Everything is caught up other than whatever work you guys get done today. So hopefully we have a successful day on what we're doing, and I'm looking forward to it. Thanks.